Yeah. Yeah. Malini Mahodaya, Prarthana vadatu.
Okay. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvadha Saraswati Namastubhyam Varadhe Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sadha Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
Astu. Welcome to this class. So, I hope all of you are doing your exercises and abhyasa samyak kurvanti iti aham manye. Kurvanti iti aham manye. Malini Mahodaya, you got it?
Kurvanti.
Iti aham manye.
We are doing, she thinks, ma'am thinks that we are all doing the recap.
Oh, got it, ma'am. Got
So
it.
the
You think
word
we are all doing?
manye and
Manye.
manye. Kuruvanti. Kuruvanti
Doing.
iti aham manye.
You are
all
doing like
the
that,
whole.
I think.
Yeah.
I hope you are all
Aham
doing.
chintayami. I think.
Aham manye. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Got it. Got it.
So that's for you. And this is all the topics we have covered so far. Please go through before coming to the class, and if you have any doubts on any of these topics, you can mark it and you can ask in the class and get it cleared. Please go through all these topics, whatever. This is the summary of recap of the topics. So I don't want to read it, and we will not have. And as usual, we are going to start the class with a beautiful Subhashitam. Very Sundar Subhashitam. I will read it once. Hamsaha Shveto Bakaha Shvetaha Ko Bedo Baka Hamsayoho Hamsaha Shveto Bakaha Shvetaha Ko Bedo Baka Hamsayoho नीरक्षरी विवेके तु हमसो हमसो बको बकः नीरक्षरी विवेके तु हंसो 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 हंसः बको बकः. We can have it there.
Neerakshira, is it not
Neerakshira viveke.
Yeah.
Neer and akshiram. Akshira is milk, neer is water. So in this, to separate these two, viveka means to discriminate right or wrong. Viveki is a person who can discriminate right and wrong. That is, he is known as Viveki. So in this Viveke, what Viveke? Neer, Akshari, Akshiri, Akshira, Neer, Akshira, Viveke. So this between water and milk. To Hamso Hamsaha. You all know what is Hamsaha?
Yes, swan.
Swan.
Swan. Hamso Hamsaha, Bako Bakaha. You all know what is Bakaha?
Yes.
Stock.
Stock. That crane
Yes.
kind of.
Crane stock. So Hamsaha Shvetaho Shveta we can split it as Hamshaha Shvetaha. You all know what is the color of Hamsha. What is the color?
White.
White.
Shvetaha.
White.
Shvetaha
White.
is white. Shvetaha is for white in Sanskritam. Hamsaha Shvetaha. Hamsa's color is Shvetaha. Bakaha Shvetaha. Bakaha also Shvetaha. Both are same color. Ko bedo bakahamsayoho. What is the difference between these two? Ko bedo. Ko is used.
Hamsa, Hamsa can separate milk from water.
Yes, that is what the Subhashita Karaka tells in the second line. Ko
We've
bedo. Sorry?
been listening to this. Hamsa separates water from milk. What is it actually, ma'am? What is how is it said like
That
this?
is the Vedanta Tattva that Subhashita Karaka wants to tell us, convey. Viveki, a person who has got the discriminating faculty, right? The
Okay.
Hamsaha has got the discriminating faculty between water and milk. Got it?
Oh,
So,
okay.
like that, a Viveki will discriminate from right and wrong. Viveki means a wise person. Not, you don't say intelligent person. Yes, there is intelligence is also required, but the terrorists also intelligence, dacoits also intelligence. They use their, rather they are more intelligent because to defeat a system, and to work in a negative way, they also have intelligence. Here, intelligence is not the equivalent of Sanskrita word, a wise person. You know who is a wise person? Viveki. In Sanskritam, in
Vivek.
Vedanta, he is called Viveki. So, this Hamsa represents wise person and Bakaha represents the normal people who doesn't have that discriminating faculty. Both are white in color, both are look alike, both are same. But Hamsaha Shvetaha, Bakaha Shvetaha. Hamshaha Shvetaha, Bakaha Api Shvetaha, Ko Bedo. What is the difference? Ko Bedo means what is the difference? Baka Hamsa Yogo between these two. Baka Hamsa Yogo. Neer Akshari Akshira Viveka. Neer means water. Kshira is Shiram. Shiram is milk. And this Viveke tu Hamso Hamsaha. When the question of separating milk and water, Hamsa is Hamsa. So, Bako Baka. Baka cannot do that. So, Bakaha will remain as Baka. Like Viveki. And yes, clearly Viveke, when separation of these two, in that faculty, in that Viveke, that Buddhi. So Bakaha will remain Bakaha and Hamsaha will. As swan is white, as stork is white, what is the difference between the two? When it comes to the art of separating milk from water, a swan is a swan and a stork is a stork. Got it? A beautiful Subhashitam. It talks about Viveki, right? So, please, can somebody read this? Deepak Mahodaya, can you read this? Now,
Hamsashveto
just a
Bakaha
minute.
Shvetaha Kobedo Bakahamsayoho Nirakshira Viveke tu Hamso Bako Bakaha.
Yeah, you
A
can read
swan
the
is a
meaning.
white, a swan is white, a stork is white, What is the difference between the two? When it comes to the art of separating milk from water, a swan is a swan and a stork is a stork.
Yes.
That means,
So,
though swan and stork are white and outwardly they look white, white means it is flawless.
yeah.
But swan can differentiate between right and wrong, whereas
No,
stork cannot.
swan has no that buddhi to that is only human beings have. Swan can differentiate milk and water.
That means he has compared
Is it
Yeah.
swan
Yes.
differentiating milk and
Yes.
water to the
Yes.
human beings who can judge what is right and what is wrong, go in the righteous path.
They don't judge, they differentiate.
They
Differentiate.
differentiate.
Oh, the
Yeah.
difference.
Differentiate. They can differentiate between right and wrong. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
So I hope everybody got it. Please memorize. And next week maybe I will listen from you. Okay. So that's it. And anybody more, some person, Bhavya, can you just call out to people?
Yeah,
Can help
sure,
me?
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can start from alphabetical.
Oh,
Akshay
do you want all
Mahodaya.
of us to read this one by one?
Just a few of us. Then we can go to the next topic. I think we have one more Subhashit. Yes, Akshay Mahodaya is there?
No, ma'am, he's not there.
Okay.
I'll read, ma'am.
Yeah.
हंसः श्वेतो बकः श्वेतः को भेदो बकहंसयोः नीर अक्षीर
Nirakshira Viveka. When you continuously read Nirakshira Viveka, Nirakshira Viveka, if you separate.
Okay. नीर क्षीर विवेके तु हंसो बको बकः.
So one more person can read this Subhashitam.
Can
Next
I read?
is
Goda Mahodaya. Yeah.
हंसः श्वेतो बकः श्वेतः को भेदो बकहंसयोः नीरक्षीरविवेके तु हंसो बको बकः.
So you have to fluently read where to pause and where to, like this, we read slokas chanting. Hamsaha shveto bakaha shvetaha ko bedo bakahamsayoho nirakshira viveke tu hamso hamsaha bako baka. Okay, one more person.
Kalyani Mahodaya.
हंसः श्वेतो बकः श्वेतः को भेदो बकहंसयोः नीरक्षीरविवेके तु हंसो बको बकः.
Yes. We will go to the next. If anybody, please read and memorize. If you have any problem, we will again learn this. Now, here also we have the next Subhashitam. Who will read this? Next person?
Kulashekaran. Oh, okay. Yeah. Malini
Kulashekara Mahodaya.
Kulashekaran.
Welcome to this class. I think you are from Anuradha's class?
Yes. I am Anuradha Mahodaya student. I could not attend yesterday, so I am attending today.
Chinta Mastu.
Yes.
Swagatam. Bhavan Patatu.
धन्यवाद महोदय. काका कृष्णः पिकः कृष्णः को भेदः पिक काकयोः वसन्तकाले संप्राप्ते काकः वसन्तकाले संप्राप्ते काक पिक पिकः.
Yes. Can you explain, Mahodaya? This is the same like previous Subhashit.
Yes. Kaka is crow. Krishna means black color. Pika is cuckoo. Right? Cuckoo is also black in color. So what is the difference between a cuckoo and a crow? Vasanta Kale Samprapte. In the Vasanta Kala, I mean Samprapte, I'm not able to understand the meaning.
The
The
moment
moment it is autumn.
when
So, I
it
mean,
dawns. Yeah,
when it
Vasanta
dawns,
Kala.
yes.
Yeah.
So I mean, the difference between the crow and the cuckoo is obvious.
Obvious. So this is also in the same line of like previous one. Kakaga Krishnaga Pikaga Krishnaga Ko Bedo Pikakakeyogo Vasantakale Samprapte Kakaga Kakaga Pikaga Pikaga. Right? Now you can understand both the. So Kakaha is also Krishnaga, Pikaga Krishnaga, Ko Vedaga Pikakakeyogo between these two. Vasantakale Samprapte Kakaga Pikaga Pikaga. Yes, someone can also read.
Yeah,
Next.
Malini Mahoday.
Kakah Krishnah, Pikah Krishnah, Ko Bedo Pikakayoho, Vasantakale Samprapte, Kakah Pikah.
So you got it. This one is very easy, having read the first one. Now we will go to our subject matter, that is karma padani. What is karma padam? We read it, no? Karta.
Object.
Object.
Karma padam is object. To form a sentence, three parts we have learned. What are the three?
Karta, Karma, Kriya.
Yes. Karta, karma, kriya.
Karma,
Can
Kriya.
anybody say a sentence and explain to me what is karma, what is karta, what is kriya padam? Can somebody make a sentence and tell me? Who will make next?
Ramaha patam patati.
Okay.
Ramaha is namapada. Patam is karmapada. Patati is kriyapada.
Ramaha is karta. Ramaha is kartrupadam.
Kartrupadam. Okay.
Yeah. Ramaha is karta, kartrupadam. And patam is karmapadam, patati, kriyapadam. Samyak. Uttamam. Now, who will read this sentence next? We have to pause quickly because we have a lot of talk.
Vani Mahoday.
Balika aharam khadati.
Yes, tell me what is, who is karta, karma and kriya?
Balika is karta. Aharam is karma. Khadati is kriya.
Okay. Balika is which linga?
Strilinga.
And vachanam?
Vachanam, I don't know actually.
Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam.
Oh, okay. Ekavachanam.
Balika is strilinga, akaranta, strilinga, ekavachanam. Balika. Balika. So, when we read the sentence, we have to understand the formation. See, kadati doesn't change. So, this karta and kriya padam, see, now if you use a pullinga shabda, how will it be? Can somebody say pullinga shabda prayoga kritva?
Balakaha aharam kadati.
Balakaha agaram kadati.
Khadati.
And tat shabda prayogam kritva. That means?
Napumsakalingam.
Yeah.
Mitram aharam khadati.
Samyak. Uttamam. Mitram agaram kadati. See, balakaha agaram kadati. Balika agaram kadati. Mitram agaram kadati. Kalu? So, these three lingas, the Kriya Padam remains same. Now, when it changes, only when Vachana changes. Now, Balika, instead of Balika, if we use Balika Bahuvachane, Vakyam vadati va? Kopi.
बालिकाः आहारं खादन्ति
खादन्ति.
Kadanti. Yes. This karta, if it is Bhaguvachanam, then the Kriya Padam changes. Otherwise, all the three lingas, the Kriya Padam remains Saha Kadati. Even this pronouns also Saha Kadati, Sa Kadati, Tat Kadati, everything same. So this you have to keep in mind. Now next is, yes, who is next?
Akshay Mahodaya.
बालकः पुस्तकं पठति बालकः इस् कर्तृ पुस्तकं कर्मपद पठति क्रियापद
Now bahuvachane vadatu.
बालकाः पुस्तकं पठन्ति
Okay. Balakaha pustakam patati. In case if it is two balakas, how will we say? That also we have seen.
बालकौ पुस्तकं पठन्ति
No, patanti is
पठतः
patataha. Balakau pustakam patatau. Patataha. Balakau pustakam patataha. And Balakau pustakam is ekvachanam. Pustakau.
Okay.
It will pustakau because you can say, but pustakau also changes. So now we have seen Balika Aharam Kadati, Balika Karta Aharam Karma Kadati. These three you are clear. Now Kriya is action, Karta is doer, Karma. This we are clear. This also we have. See, Balakaha, Sa, Balika, Ramaha, everything we have seen. Now, Karma Padani, Bahuvachane, this also we have seen. You want to go through quickly, we will just revise. Yes, who can read next?
Balakaha Grantham Patati. Boy reads book. That is Ekavachana. Balakaha.
Don't read the English version, just read the Sanskrita version.
Okay. Balakaha Granthan Patati. Balika Abhyasam Likati. Balika Abhyasan Likati.
Yes, these are the Bahuvachana formats. Last class we saw this. Can anybody tell me a sentence with using Bahuvachanam? First you tell me in singular and then Bahuvachanam vadatu. Next is who?
Which linga, ma'am?
Shall I try?
Want which linga? Pullinga, Strilinga, or Napumsakalinga?
Yeah, Pullinga eva vadatu. We are looking at Pullinga Bahuvachana Karma Padani.
Chhatraha Vidyalayam Gacchati.
Okay. Now, how will you change Bahuvachanam?
Chhatraha Vidyalayam Gacchanti.
Chhatraha va?
Chhatraha.
Chhatraha
Vidyalayam Gacchanti.
Vidyalayan, it should be, right?
No. Here, because she took only this one, Chatraha. All of them are going to one school. She made this, instead of karma padam, she made this subject Bahuvachanam Vadati. Malini Mogadaya, make the difference. She used only subject Bahuvachanam, not karma padam.
Okay, okay, okay.
You have to be very careful. You couldn't make it?
Got it, got it, got it.
So if we use chatraha.
Got it, ma'am. Got it.
Because she used Chatraha Vidyalayam Gachati Chatraha. She made only subject Bahuvachanam, not the Karma Padam.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay.
Malini Magode, can you differentiate?
Yeah, I got it, ma'am.
Everybody must be, all of you are clear this doubt? Because
Yes.
she changed into Bahuvachanam only the Karta, not Karma Padam.
Karma Padam.
She said Chatraha and Chatraha.
Okay, when it, I mean, how to do it when you have to change the karma pada to
Karma
bahuvachan?
pada, you can say balakaha pustakam patati, balakaha pustakani patanti.
Pustakani. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Balakaha palam kadati, balakaha palani kadanti. Kadati. Palani kadati. See, you are changing what?
Palani kadati or kadanti? Again,
Kadati.
that one also.
Palan, because the subject is singular. Balakaha palam kadati. The child is eating one fruit. Balakaha palani kadati. Now, what is the difference? Tell me.
He is eating many fruits.
Karma also changed, but kadati remained same.
Why kadati remains same?
Subject remains the same.
Just a minute, let her explain. Why kadati doesn't change?
Kriya pada doesn't change.
Why it doesn't change? Tell me. Balakaha palam kadati. Balakaha palani kadati.
Kriya pada goes with the what is that? Nama
Singular
pada.
only, no? It is balakaha singular. So balakaha kadati, palani kadati.
Kartru. Kartru pada. Kriya pada.
Malini Mahodaya, this balakaha can eat palani. He can eat 2 bananas. He can eat 2 apples. He can have half a dozen chocolates. You know. So, balakaha palam kadati, balakaha palani kadati. Kalu.
Okay, okay, okay. Got it, ma'am. Got it. Got it.
The verb depends only on the subject.
Yes. Yes. This subject, Kartrupadam, this Vachana, Kartrupada Vachanam changes the Kriya Padam. You are not getting. See, I will tell you sentence. Balakaha Grantam Patati. Balakaha Grantan. Balakaha Grantan Patati. Now the Balaka can read so many Granthas. Got it?
But he
got it.
So what do you observe? What do you observe this? Conclusion
Balakaha is singular. One boy only. He can read many books. One boy can read one book. It is many boys.
Yes. Kartrupadam eva nirnayati, this Kriya Pada form.
Okay, okay.
Kartrupadam determines this Kriya Padam. Balakaga padanti. Balakaga grantan patanti.
Kriya padam kartrupadam anusarati.
Yes. Kriya Padam. Yes,
Uh,
Malini.
can we say balakaha grantham patanti? No, granthan only it is. I mean, and there also we have to use the plural only.
Yeah.
It is only because in that context, many boys cannot read
now,
one book.
If you say
that is only because of that.
Granth, Balakaha Bhagavad Gita Grantham Patanti. See, their Grantham is one.
When you mention it.
Yeah, you have to specify. Balakaha can read one Grantham also.
Balakaha Bhagavad Gita Granthani Patati.
No, Grantham only, no. Only one Gita.
Grantan.
So
when you refer to the actual physical book, there might be multiple books, but when this refers to the actual name of the book, it is only one book, which is Gita. Everybody is reading Gita only.
That's what I want.
Chapters can be in 18 volumes.
But a volume doesn't matter. All the 18 volumes are in one book. 18 chapters. It is not volumes. They are small chapters. 10th chapter is so small. 12th chapter is so small. So Bhagavad Gita is one book. It's not different volumes. They don't say Bhagavad Gita volume 1, 2, 3, 4. That people may publish, that is different. But Bhagavad Gita is one grantha.
Balakaha Vedani Patati.
Yeah. Balakaha Vedani Patanti.
No, Balakaha Vedani Patati.
You can say one single child, he reads so many Vedas.
Then Balakaha Vedani Patanti.
Yes, yes. Spashtam asti va, Malini Mahodaya? Still some Sandeha is there. We will go through. Yeah, by practice and apply your mind. One child, Palani Kaditum Shaknoti. Kalu? Kaditum Shaknoti. So, Balakaha Granthan Patati. Now he says, one child, but Granthan. He can read so many Grantha. He reads so many books. Balika Abhyasam Likati. Balika Abhyasan Likati. So, this object, always the Kriya Padam depends upon changes according to the Kartru Padam and not this one. So we will see more.
Not the Karma Pada.
Yeah. Draupadi Pandavam Pashyati. Now you say Pandavam. So
Pandavam is single Pandavam.
Pandavam is singular. Amongst the Pandavam, there can be one person. It is then say Pandavam, Pancha Pandavam. Always it comes Pancha Pandavam. Pandavam means Pandava is one king. Pandu. Pandu is one. So here Pandavam means one of the Pandavas. Pandavam.
Either Dharmaraya or Arjuna.
Yeah, anyone. Okay, Nakula Sagadeva, it can be. Draupadi Pandavam Pashyadi. Don't say Pandavam is 5. Nowhere it means. Pandu is one king and the descendant of that father is one person. So he is Pandavam. That Pandu's Pandavam. So Draupadi Pandavam Pashyati. Generally we have the wrong impression. Pandavam means all 5. Okay. Now, Draupadi Pandavan Pashyati. What is the difference?
All the Pandavas.
All the Pandavas. Pandavan.
Plural Pandavan.
Pandavan. More than 2. It may be Pancha, it may be
3,
4. So,
more than 1.
Yeah. More than, in fact, more than 2.
Right.
More than 2.
Otherwise, it will become Pandavav. 2 means.
If it is 2, is 2, it will become Pandavav.
Pandavav.
Yeah. Bhaktaha Devam Pujayati. Bhaktaha Devan Pujayati. What you have to see, observe is how the karma padam changes into Bahuvachanam. Akarantaha, Ikarantaha, we saw Hari, how it changes. That's what we are looking at here. And how the object, that is karma padam, changes. Pandavam, Pandavan, Devam, Devan, Agrajam, Agrajan. Janakaha, Agrajam, Tarjayati. Janakaha, Agrajan, Tarjayati. Right?
What is Tarjayati, ma'am?
Tarjayati is punishment, beating. Tadayati, Tarjayati, Tadayati also. He is scolding or pulling up. Janaka is father. Next, Draupadi. This we have seen. What? Now, see how it the changes. Pullinga Bahuvachana Karma Padani, how they change. Grantham, Granthan. Who will read this quickly?
एकवचनं ग्रन्थं बहुवचनं ग्रन्थान् अभ्यासम् अभ्यासान् पाण्डवं पाण्डवान् देवं देवान् अग्रजम् अग्रजान्.
Yes. So these are all akarantaha. It changes. Now,
Mahodaya, Agrajam
yeah.
is always one person, eldest son.
Yeah.
So, how many eldest sons will be there?
Agrajam, Agrajan. See, it's not Agrajam, elder son. It is brothers.
Elder brothers, huh?
Elder brothers. For a younger brother, there can be 4 elder brothers.
Okay.
Got it? Agrajam is 1. It is not son. It is brother. Elder brother. Anujaga is younger brother. Agrajam is elder brothers. There can be so many elder brothers. Right? Got it?
Got it.
Yeah. So now next, now Ukarantaka. We saw Akarantaka. Now who will read?
Kulashekaran Mahodaya, maybe.
Janani Shishum Lalayati.
Janani Shishum Lalayati. Janani Shishun Lalayati. Chhatraha Gurum Ahvayati. Chhatraha Gurun Ahvayati. Ahvayati.
Avahayati, Ahavayati.
Avahayati.
Yes.
Sainikaha Ripum
Sainikaha. Sainikaha. Sainikaha.
Sainikaha Ripum Marayati. Sainikaha Ripun Marayati.
So now, who is Janani?
Mother.
Mother. Janakaha is father. Janani is mother. Shishum Lalayati. Who is Shishu? Infant. Lalayati means प्यार करना, हिंदी में कहते हैं ना, या जस्ट cuddling, yeah. So lalayati, janani shishum lalayati, one child, and shishun lalayati. Now don't say a mother cannot have a lot of infants. It's just to learn, okay? We will not go to that. Somebody can question at one time, how can she so many? So just shishun lalayati. So shishu ukarantaha, shishu changes into shishun, and chatraha guru ahuyati, ahuhayati, akarantaha ha, and ardaha ardava ahuvayati, chatraha gurun ahuvayati. Sainikah ripum marayati. Sainikah ripun marayati. You got it? How ukaranta changes? Right?
Ahvayati, what is the meaning? Chatraha
Calling.
Guru
Calling.
calling.
Ahuyati means calling,
Invite.
addressing.
Okay.
Invite. I tell every time Bhavya to Ahuyatu Bhavati. Call the names alphabetically. You know, Ahuyati. Bhavya Varge alphabetically. Chatran Ahuyati. Kalu. So that is. Now, Sanikaha Ripum Marayati. You all know Sainikaha, soldiers. Ripu. Who is Ripu? Chatru.
Enemies.
Chatru. Yeah.
Enemies.
See, Shishum. That don't forget to mention Karma Padam always comes in Shishum, Gurum, Ripum, Patam, Pustakam, Ramam, like that. So, Shishum, Shishun, and Gurum, Gurun. That Makara you must tell in Karma Padam. Janakam. Balakah Janakam Ahuvayati. Janakam. Janakah is Karta. Janakam is, what is Janakam? Huh?
Ditya.
Dvitiya Karma Padam. Janakam is Karma Padam. Object. Balakah Janakam Ahuvayati. The child is calling out his father. So when the Dvitiya Vibhakti, always we call it Vibhakti. Now I want to use Vibhakti word here. We just learn by Karma Padam. Karma Padam is Gurum, Shishum, Ripum, Patam. In that form it comes. Now, Ikarantaka. We saw Akarantaka, Ukarantaka. Kalu. Now, Ikaranta Karma Padam, how it changes. Who can read?
Kalyani Mahoday.
Yeah. Sa Harim Namati. Sa Harin Namati. Saha Girim Arohati. Saha Girin Arohati. Rakshaha Arim Hanti. Rakshakaha Arin Hanti.
So now how it changes? Harihi. Harihi is the Kartru. Harihi is Kartru. And when it changes into Karma Padam, it changes into Harim. Harim. And in Bhaguvachanam, Harin. And Girim. Girim is this mountain. Girin. Green Arohati. Rakshakaha Harim Anti. Rakshakaha Harin Anti. So
Arim refers to
Arim represent to the criminals. Rakshakaha is enemy. Yeah, you can say enemy or those who violate the laws. Rakshakaha, the securities caught the Harim Hanti. They hit the Harim. You can say Dushman and enemy or the one who violates the laws. Okay. So it Harim. Not Harim. Harim and Harim, they are different totally. Hari is opposite to Ari. Hari is opposite to Ari. So Hari is a divine person and Ari is a just opposite. So Harim, yeah.
What is the difference between present slide and the previous slide?
We are recapping this, what Ikaranta, all this Ukaranta, Akaranta, how it changes. I think we saw last class also, right?
Okay.
So we are, because this is the basics. Yeah. which is going to form the sentences which will help us to learn the sentence formation and writing, right? That is why we are paying so much importance to this. And you have to lot of memorization and by practice. I think you must be getting enough homework to practice all these things. When you are writing homework, please atra api dharayatu. You have to get here also. It is not to fill up the homework, submit and forget it. Ah, I have done my homework. So, atra api. So, how it changes? Akaranta pullinkaha, bahuvachanam, si ramaha, ramaha. This all we have seen. We will not go through this. And ramaha, ramaha, ramam, raman. Akarantaha, how they change. Now, karta ukaranta here. See, ukaranta pullinkaha eka bahuvachanam. Sangraha. This is just a collection of how to. Guru, Guravaha, Gurum, Gurun. When, see, Karta changes into Bahuvachanam when we use in the form of Karta, we cannot say Gurun. Right? You see the difference. Somebody asked a while ago. Yeah. See, when you mention in Karta Rupam, Ramaha and Ramaha. When you say Ramam, Raman as a Karma Padam. Lakshmanaha Ramam Namati. Lakshmanaha Ramam Anugachati. Right? When Ramam Karma Padam, it becomes Bahuvachanam. How it comes? Rama. No. When he is a Karta, then only Ramaha.
When it is karma, then it is Raman.
Raman. All of you must get this clarity. Right? You understand? Now, Balakaha, Balakam. When it is Karma Padam, it becomes Balakam. And Balakam becomes Balakan. Now I said Balakan Bhagavachanam Karma Padam. You can say Balakan Vanam Gachati. Balakan Kridati. No. Balakaha Kridati.
I got it, ma'am.
Got it? I hope everybody got it. Huh? Yes.
Only at karma place it changes, not at the kartru.
Yes. And karta, it is different format. Balakaha, balakaga. There it is balakam, balakan. Right? So that is what. Now we saw in Gurum, Gurun, Gurum, Gurun. Now when in Karta, it changes into Guravaha. Right? All of you get it? And Guru, Gurun. See, Karta, it is different format and Karma is different format. This you have to learn. This is to emphasize this only, we are going through these slides. Now, next one. Yes, this will give us this. Did we do this? No. We would not have done. So, we will quickly now change them. Pullinga karma padani abhyasaha. Shikram patatu kramena. Yes.
Akshay Mahoday can start.
2 vakyas each.
कृष्णः वेणुं वादयति कृष्णः वेणून् वादयति। बालिका आहारं खादति, बालिका आहारान् खादति।
महोदय स्पष्टं करोतु। कर्तृपदं, कर्मपदं, क्रियापदानि च।
बालिका कर्तृ, आहारं कर्मपद, आहारान् खादति, क्रियापद।
Yes, good. Next.
युवकः मार्गः पश्यति. युवकः
okay. Yes.
Yeah, युवकः is कर्तृ, मार्गः is kriya, and pashyati is karmapada. No, margah is karmapada, pashyati is kriyapada.
Yes.
युवकः मार्गं पश्यति. Okay. युवकः मार्गान् पश्यति will be bahuvachana. Okay.
Bahuvachana of
Karmapada.
कर्मपदम्. सः पर्वतः आरोहति. सः पर्वतम् आरोहति. सः पर्वतान् आरोहति. सः पर्वतम् आरोहति. पर्वतम् आरोहति is द्विवचन. सः पर्वतः आरोहति is एकवचन. सः पर्वतम् आरोहति is पर्वतम्. Yeah, bahuvachana.
See, this is a model sentence. Saha parvatam arohati. Saha kim karoti? Parvatam. One mountain he climbs. Arohati. Saha parvatan arohati. He climbs mountains.
Many mountains. Yeah.
Mountains. Parvatan. That is the difference. This is an example. That's why this is given in brackets. This
the kriya pada is changed to ekavachanam and bahuvachanam.
Yeah, and the format what we saw. Yeah.
Okay.
Next.
Deepak Mahodaya.
Janani shishum lalayati. Janani shishun lalayati. Janani is kartrupadam. Sishu is krishum is karmapadam. Lalayati is kriyapadam. And shishun,
excuse me, Chamyatam, kinchit dvani agachati. Somebody, maybe others can.
Goda ma'am, I think.
Yeah, mute madhye bhavamaka. Yeah, vadatu mahoday.
Sangeeta nirdeshakah ganam nirdishati.
Actually, it should be ganam.
Ganam nirdishati.
Yeah, geetam. Yeah,
no, it can be group also, ma'am. Composers.
Okay, composers group also they can. Okay.
Yeah.
Sangeeta nirdeshakah ganan nirdishati. Sangeeta nirdeshakah is kartrupadam. Ganam is karmapadam. Nirdishati is kriyapadam.
Yes. Now, next.
Goda Mahodaya.
Vanarasena setum nirmati. Vanarasena setun nirmati. Vanarasena is kartrupada. Setum is karmapada. Nirmati is kriyapada. Chhatra gurum pruchati. Chhatraha gurun pruchati.
No, here chatra is strilinga ekavachanam. Chatra is don't pronounce visarga here. If you pronounce visarga, it will become bahuvachanam. So chatra gurum pruchati. Chatra gurun pruchati.
Gurun pruchati.
Yeah. So now I think this I will read the remaining since we have to rush. Naradaha Harim Namati. Naradaha Harin Namati. Aham Grantham Patami. Aham Granthan Patami. And Garudaha Girim Sprishati. Garudaha Green Sprishati. You all know Garudaha Sprishati? Touches, feels. Okay, so that is this thing. And Durga Asuram Mridrati. Durga Asuran Mridrati. Mridrati. Mridrati means a kind of vadam. So Yeshaha Abhyasam Karoti. Yeshaha Abhyasan Karoti. So it is a mixture of Akaranta, Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Bahuvachana, Karma Padam. Make it clear. Karma Padam, Karta, Kartrupadam.
Madam,
Okay.
Goda Mahoday, can you please go on mute? I think some background noise is coming.
Yeah. Dhanyavada Mahoday. So you are clear now in this, no doubt. So by practice, akarantaha, ikarantaha, ukarantaha, karma pada bahuvachanam. Just register it. Karma padam, kartru padam, the bahuvachanam is different, right? So don't get confused. That you have to practice, and by practice we will get it. Now the same, Yesha, this is Yeshaha, Bahuvachana Karma Padani, that is Yeshaha, Yesha, Sa, pronouns. Now, so far we saw proper nouns, Karma, Kartrupadam, proper nouns, Namapadani, Drishtavantaha, Idanim, this Yeshaha, pronoun. Yeshaha kavitam shrunoti. Yeshaha kavitaga shrunoti. This kavitam and kavitaga, ekavachanam, bahuvachanam of karma padam. Right? All of you got it? And sa veenam vadayati. Sa veenaga vadayati. What are this? Eshaga, sa, jan, these are all
Pronouns.
Pronouns. Sarvanama Shabda.
Sarvanama
Shabdani. So this Sarvanama Shabda Prayoga also the same format, and Yeshaha, Strilinga, Pullinga, Sa Veenam Vadayati, Sa Veenaha Vadayati, Janani Rotikam Pachati, Janani Rotikaha Pachati. This Rotikam and Rotikaha. Now you say why Rotikan didn't come? Rotika.
Strilinga.
Yes.
Rotikan is not there.
Yeah, Rotika.
Rotikan Pachati.
Because
yes.
Rotika is Strilinga Shabda.
Strilinga. Yes, that's what I thought you will ask that question. Rotika is Strilingam. How so far we saw only Pullinga Bhagavachanani.
Only Pullinga changes into An. Okay.
Gurun, Harin, Gurun, Harin, Balakan, Granthan, Patan, all Pullinga Vachanas. Now this is Kavita. Kavita is Akaranta Strilinga. Kavitam Shrunoti. Ekvachanam Kavitam Shrunoti. Kavitaga Shrunoti. Veenam Vadayati. Veena Akaranta Strilinga. Veenaga Vadayanti. Rotika Akaranta Shrilinga. Rotikam and Rotikaga. So, how the Strilinga Karma Pada changes? This is the Kavitam Kavitaga. Goda Bagini, Kripaya mute Madhye Bhavatu. धन्यवादः कवितां कविताः वीणा वीणाः रोटिकां रोटिकाः this is strilinga karma pada changes, right? We will see some of them. Yes, who will read this? Ka patati kaha ka patati.
कुलशेखरन् महोदय
आम् बालकः कूपीं पूरयति बालकः कूपीः पूरयति अहम् अङ्कनीं क्रीणामि अहम् अङ्कनीः क्रीणामि महिला रङ्गवल्लीं रचयति महिला रङ्गवल्लीः रचयति.
Now what do you notice? Kupi. Kupi is
bottle, singular. Kupim is singular.
Yeah, Kupi is singular. Strilingam. Kupihi. Kupihi. Kupihi is Bahuvachanam of Strilinga, the word Kupi. And Kupihi Purayati. Aham Ankanim Krinami. Ankanim Krinami. Aham Ankanihi. Ankanihi Krinami. Ankanihi Krinami. Mahila. Sorry? Yes.
What is Krinami, madam?
Krinami, I will buy. Buy.
To buy.
I will. Aham Ankanim Krinami. I buy Ankanis. Ankanihi. Ankanim, one. Aham Ankanim Krinami. Aham Ankanihi Krinami. Buy. Krinami is buy. And Aham is Asmad Shabdaha. Aham. Hello. Aham. Have you heard Asmad Shabdaha?
Aham avam.
Yes.
Aham.
Avam.
Avam Vayam.
Avam Vayam.
Yes. So Aham Ankanim Krinami. Aham Ankanihi Krinami. Here Mahila Rangavallim Rachayati. Mahila Rangavallihi Rachayati. Again note this. Only Karma Padam Bahuvachanani. Right? Yes. Kupim Kupihi. Ankanim Ankanihi. Rangavallim Rangavallihi. That Visarga Ikaranta Matra, Dirga Ikaranta Matra, Spashtam Ucharanam Kartavyam. So, very clearly, you should learn the pronunciation of this. See, Veena, Veenam, how it changes. This Nadi, like Nadi, Nadyau, Nadi, Nadyaha. Nadi, how it changes in Ikaranta, Strilinga, it changes like Nadi. And Karta, Veena, Veenaha, Veenam, Veenaha. Nadi, Nadyaha, Nadim, Nadihi. Karta, how it changes? Nadi, Nadya, Nadyaha. Bahuvachanam. And Karma Padam, Nadim, Nadihi. There is a difference. How Kartru Padam changes and how Karma Padam changes. This by practice and by memorization only you will get it. And there are exceptions that we will see, like this in Kriya Padam, we have special Kriya Padani. Kru, Shrunu, Shru, all those like Janati, those kind of words. There are exceptions that we will see, but this is the format. And now we will see Strilinga Karma Padani. Pullinga Karma Padani Drishtavantaga. Kalu? Hari, Shishu, Guru, Patam, Grantham, Drishtavantah. Idanim Strilinga Karma Padani Pashyama. So you can read. Yes. Bhavya Mahodaya.
Yeah. Janani rotikam pachati is ekavachana. Janani rotikaah pachati is bahuvachana.
So rotika is Strilinga. Akaranta Strilinga.
Akaranta Strilinga ekavachana. Rotikam is karmapada. And pachati is kriyapada.
Next.
Ramaha. What is this?
Ahalyam.
Ahalyam.
Sprishati.
Sprishati. Sprishati. What is sprishati, man?
Sprishati is touch. Feel. Ahalya, yes, can anybody tell the story? Ramayanam paditavantah va?
While he was going with Vishwamitra, his feet touched one stone. Ahalya Shapa Vimosanam. That is the thing, no?
Yes. Ahalya was turned into a stone because of some curse in Ramayana. And so when Rama was walking, his feet sparsham touched. Sparshati. Sparsham. Sparsham means touch, and so by his touch, that feeling, she changed into human form. She regained her human form. That's the story. So here it says, Ramaha Ahalyam Sprishati. Yeah.
Ramaha Ahalyaha Sprishati.
Ahalyaga, so many Ahalyas. There are not so many Ahalyas, but this sentence, yeah, our practice. This is Strilinga practice. Yes. Next.
Deepak Mahodaya.
Sangeetagnyah वीणां वादयति. संगीतज्ञः वीणाः वादयति. Sangeetagnyah is kartrupadam, Veenam is karmapadam, Vadayati is kriyapadam. Saha katham alochayati. Saha kathaha alochayati.
So, katam kathaha. Katam kathaha. That is how it changes. And next.
Goda Mahodaya.
Gruhaha naukam tarayati. Guhaha naukaha tarayati. Guha is kartru, naukam is karma, tarayati is kriyapada. Sainikaha patakam namati. Sainikaha patakaha namati.
Yeah. So you got the meaning of both sentences?
Pataka, what is the meaning of
flag? Flag.
Flag. Okay, Pataka.
Nauka is
flag.
Dhoni.
Yeah. Pataka is flag. Sainikaha patakam namati. Next.
Kalyani Mahodaya.
Yesha lekanim nayati. Yesha lekanihi nayati. Sa, Yesha, that is lekanim, lekani karmapada, singular, karmapada, plural. Nayati is she's bringing, no? Lekanim.
Yeah,
she's bringing.
She is bringing.
Yeah.
Krinati, Nayati. Nayati is bringing. Krinati is
buying.
Yeah.
Sa jananim anayati. Sa jananihi anayati.
Yeah.
That mother is bringing. Anayati is bringing, no?
Anayati is also bringing.
Yeah.
Sa janani anayati. Bringing.
Jananim
Anayati.
karma pada singular. Jananihi karma pada plural. Yeah.
Kulashekar.
Yuvati.
Yuvati malam gumphati. Yuvati malaha gumphati. Malam is here in the first sentence. It is karma ekavachanam, and malaha is karma padam bahuvachanam. This gumphati meaning I could not.
Gumpati is malam, flower, you know, फूल को कट्टा करके माला बनाना है, pearls को माला बनाना है.
Okay.
You know what they make?
Yes.
फूलों से माला बनाते
माला
हैं,
बनाना.
pearls से माला बनाते हैं. That is gumpati, a kind of, yeah.
Aham nadim tarami. Aham nadihi tarami.
Yes.
Here nadi is nadim is karma ekavachanam and nadihi is karma bahuvachanam.
Yes.
One question, ma'am. If it is tvam nadim tarasi, tvam nadihi tarasi. If it is tvam, how is it?
Yeah, tara madhyama purusha. Tvam is madhyama purusha, a person who is in front of you. Tvam nadim tarasi.
Tarasi. Okay. Tarasi.
Tvam nadim tarasi. Tvam
nadihi tarasi.
Tarasi. Okay.
Next one. Kapihi ankanim kshipati. Kapihi ankanihi kshipati. Kapihi kartru ankanim karma kshipati kriya. Ankanim changes into ankanihi.
Ankanihi. Next.
Sevakaha darvi prakshalayati. Sevakaha darvihi prakshalayati. Sevakaha kartru darvi is karma, prakshalayati kriya. Darvi changes into darvihi.
Yeah. Next
Darveem, that's Darveem, right? That's Darveem.
Darveem.
There's a dot there, Darveem.
Yeah, there is a upper, yeah, you can see that in that karu there is a dot. Don't miss that. Each ucharanam is very important in Sanskritam. Darveem. Refa should be pronounced. V should be pronounced. Makara should be pronounced.
Sevakaha darveen prakshalayati. Sevakaha darvihi prakshalayati.
Yes. Next
Maybe
also read.
Maybe you can read. Yeah.
Eshaha kavitam shrunoti. Eshaha kavitaha shrunoti. Eshaha kartru kavitam karma shrunoti kriya. Kavitam changes into kavitaha.
So this is the karma pada strilinga parivartanam katam bhavati iti drishtavantaha. Now this is sarvanama padam. Sarvanapumsaka bahuvachana karma padani sa palam kadati sa palani kadati. Palam palani. This napumsakalinga is very easy, you know, and they remain the same. So, sa palani kadati and purushaha mandiram gacchati, purushaha mandirani gacchati, sa yutakam dharayati, saha yutakani dharayati. So this palam palani, mandiram mandirani, yutakam yutakani, this, you know, kartrupadam, karma padam, they remain same in Bhagavachanam, in Napumsakalingam. You got it? Siraf, only in Napumsakalingam, this karma padam and kartrupadam, they are same. Otherwise, in other Kartrupadam, Karmapadam, they are different. So, Palam Palani, Mandiram Mandirani, Pustakani. This is how Napumsaka Lingam. Now, Napumsaka Linga, Ek Bahuvachana Karma Padam. Palam Palam, I told you, no? Whereas in Ramaha Ramam, Kalu, huh? If Ramaha is Kartrupadam, Karmapadam what?
Ramam.
Ramam.
Ramaha
Pataha
will be
is,
Rama.
yes, Pataha is what padam? Pataha,
Pataha,
Kartrupadam, Patam is Karmapadam. And whereas in Napumsakalingam, Kartrupadam, Karmapadam, same. That's what the exceptions. Kartrupadam also Palam. Palam Patati. What is that? Palam Patati. Palani Patati. Palam Patati. Palam is singular. Palani is Bahuvachanam. Aham Palani Kadami. Huh? Palani Aham Krinami. I will buy fruits. So, as a karma padam, kartru padam, in Napumsakalingam, they remain same.
Aham phalam kadami.
Aham palani kadami.
Yeah.
Palani patanti. So, palani is here kartru padam. Patanti is kriya padam. Kalu? They remain same. So, that keep it in mind. See, palam palani, karta also palam palani, karmam also palam palani. Right? You got it? Napumsakalingam learning is little easier than Pullinga, Strilinga, Sabdani. So here we will see Napumsakalinga karma padani abhyasa. Quickly.
Akshay Mahodaya.
You don't have to, if you understand, just I think now you know Kavihi is Kartru, Kavyam is Karma, Rachayati is Kriyapadam. Just read the sentence. Okay. If you have anywhere any doubt, then ask. Yeah.
Kavihi kavyam rachayati, kavihi kavyani rachayati. Balakaha jalam pipati, balakaha jalani pipati.
There is no word jalani. You know, water has no plural. Water, of course, in English we say waters, but jalam, this is just to format to understand, right? Okay. Next.
Yeah. Chatraha pustakam patati. Chatraha pustakani patati. Shauchikaha vastram सीव्यति. शौचिकः वस्त्राणि सीव्यति.
You all know Vastrani is Napumsakalinga. Sivyati is stitching. Yeah. Next.
Markataha palam kadati. Markataha palani kadati. Gaikaha geetam gayati. Gayakah geetam gayati. Gayakaha geetani gayati.
Mahila shakam kartayati. Mahila shakani kartayati. Vahana chalakaha vahanam chalayati. Vahana chalakaha vahanani chalayati. Vahana chalaka is kartru. Vahanam is karma. Chalayati is kriyapada.
Yeah. Next.
Kulashekar.
कृषकः क्षेत्रं कर्षति कृषकः क्षेत्राणि कर्षति चित्रकारः चित्रं रचयति चित्रकारः चित्राणि रचयति
कल्याणी महोदय
क्रीडालु कन्दुकं क्षिपति क्रीडालुः कन्दुकानि क्षिपति एषा कार्यं करोति एषा कार्यं करोति एषा कार्याणि करोति
This also you read, Mahad.
अहं गेयं शृणोमि अहं गेयानि शृणोमि. What is geyam?
Geyam is sacred text.
Sacred.
In yeah, where is that? It comes in Bhajagovindam. Geyam, you know.
Geyam Sri Hari Rupamajasram.
Yes, we should listen Geyam. We are supposed to listen. Yeah, the sacred text we have. What is sung, we should listen. Geetani ita Geyam. What is sung, we should listen. That is in Shastra, we say that Geyam, what is supposed to. Nyayam means what is supposed to be known. Geyam means what is supposed to be heard.
Okay.
Geyam. Beautiful words in Sanskrit. Nyayam. We will read
what,
in Bhagavad Gita. Yes.
How do you split this, ma'am? Vagyaya Karas, what they mentioned for all the writers who write the songs and all. Vagyaya Karas, Geya. Vagyaya Kara.
Vachyakara.
Tyagaraja Vagyaya. Vagyaya Kara.
Vageya Karaha means it is not Vageya Karaha. You are missing out something. Get it properly.
Dikshitar, Tyagaraja, all these.
Yeah, they are all composers.
They are all mentioned as composers are in English. I mean, in Sanskrita, it is called as Vagyaya Karas.
Vagya Karas. Maybe. I have not heard of Vagya Karas. They are all saints, sants, and I have to listen. I will look into it. Is it there? Vagyakara?
Vagyakaras. They are all called Dikshitar, Tyagaraja.
Vagyakara. Vagyakara.
Vagyakaras.
Vagyakara. They are the ones who sing what is to be sung. What is to be sung. Yeah. You know, we have a choice. Geyam. We should aham geyam shrunomi. What is to be heard, I will listen. Geyam. Like that, there is a word nya. Nyatam, nyayam. Nyayam means what is to be known. Janati. Nya, special dhatus, we saw that. Shru, nya, kru, all those special verbs. So, geyam. That is what is to be heard. So we all have seen, if except this kada, I think we have seen kaha ka kim. Kaha ka kim, they are all prashna shabdas. Kaha vadati, ka gayati, kim khadati. Kalu. And this, for this, the answer, samadhanam is answer. Uttara padani, saha yeshaga. Saha kadati, yeshaga kadati, sa kadati, yesha kadati, tat kadati, yetat. And va is a tag question, amnava. Idanim vayam gitam gayama va na. Vayam patama. We will ya, va, ya, na. This is am, na, this answer. Bhavati gitam shrunoti va na agam samskritam patami. So am, na. Bhavati shrunoti va am agam samyak shrunomi. Amna. You all know na this prayoga? You want to practice? You all know? And I think there was enough homework on this amna. And kutra also you all know. Atra, tatra, anyatra, sarvatra. Kalu? Atra, tatra. Kathi. Kathi is numbers, counting. Idanim varge kathi janaga santi. Utram dadatu. Idanim varge kati janaga santi.
Idani vargam nava
Varge
janani. Idani vargam nava jane. Varge nava janani santi.
Nava janani santi. So, idanim varge kati purushaga santi.
Dve purushaga santi.
Idani varge त्रीणि पुरुषाणि सन्ति.
Trini purushani santi. Purushaga santi. So, like that, kati. Pancha pantavaha kati janaga. Pancha. I said myself. The answer is in the question itself. I should have asked Pandavaga Kati Janaga Santi. Pandavaga Pancha Janaga Santi.
Pandavaha Pancha Janani Santi.
Santi. So this Kati is countable. Counting numbers. Pancha, Ashta, Ekadasha, all those things. And Kada means Adya. I think this also this might need little practice. Adya Shvaha Pratakale Ityadi. Adyaha Kaha Vasaraha.
Adyaha Bhanuvasaraha.
Adyaha Bhanuvasaraha. Shvaha Kaha Vasaraha. Swaha Somavasaraha. Adya Pratakale
Somavasaraha.
Swaha Prataka. No, Pratakale means Swaha Somavasaraha. That's over. Pratakale means
Morning.
Morning. Vayam Pratidinam Pratakale Kim Kim Kurmaha
Samskritam Patamaha.
Samskritam Patamaha. Vayam Sarve Prati Bhanuvasare Pratakale. For me it is Pratakale. For you it is not Pratakale. So I should not use that. Vayam Sarve Bhanuvasare Prati Bhanuvasare Samskritam Patamaha. Hello?
Amen.
Like that, Pratakale, Madhyane, Balakaha, Sayankale, Kridanganam, Gachanti. Balakaha, Sayankale, Kridanam, Gachanti. Aham, Sayangale, Shad Vadane, Pujam Karomi, Devam Namami. Like that you can make sentences. Adya Shvaha Pratakale Ityadi. Now then, Kim. Kim is Napumsakalinga Prashna Vachakaha. Kaha, Ka, Pullinga, Strilinga Shabdaha. Kim is for Napumsaka Lingaha and it is used in Karma Padam. Bhavati kim kadati aham bhojanam kadami. Bhavati kim kadati aham phalam kadami. Balakaha kim kadati. Balakaha kim patati. Balakaha grantham patati. Balakaha patam patati. Kim is for mostly used in the karma pada prashna vachakaha. Now api and cha. This is a conjunction. Api. Aham and Ramaha vanam gacchati. Sita Lakshmanaha cha vanam gacchati. Ramaha vanam gacchati. Lakshmanaha api gacchati. So api is and. Api and cha and. But we say in English Rama and Lakshmana went to forest. And comes in between these two. Whereas in Sanskritam Ramaha Lakshmanaha cha. After both Namapadam, then the conjunction comes.
Ma'am, api
Rama
is also.
Sorry. Also, Ahamapi, I too. Too also.
Okay.
When we say, somebody says, Aham Chalachitram Drishyami, Chalachitram Pashyami, Ahamapi Pashyami, I too.
Okay.
When that is context also, we can Ahamapi. Aham Coffee pibami. Ahamapi pibami. I too. In that sentence also, api can be used. So now, atra ke santi. Yes, who can read quickly?
Vani Mahoday. She's not right.
Goda Bagini, Kripaya mute. Yes.
अत्र देवकी वसुदेवः श्रीकृष्णः च सन्ति सैनिकाः अपि सन्ति
Atra, see, atra Devaki Vasudevaha Sri Krishnaha cha santi cha. See, after all this, Devaki Vasudevaha Sri Krishnaha, three Namapadani. Then comes that and cha santi. As I told you, this in Sanskritam, this comes after mentioning all the names last. And Sainikaga api santi. So there are Sainikas too api also used. So cha is this comes after all these people. Now, yes, who will say in this sentence, in this picture, kaha ka santi. Sorry.
Shri Krishnaha Bhaktaha Denuhu cha santi. Atra.
Shri Krishnaha Bhaktaha va Bhaktaha va.
Bhaktaha.
Yes, there are Bhaktaha.
Bhaktaha. Bhaktaha cha santi. Atra Girihi. Atra Girihi Asti.
Girihi api asti.
Yes. Girihi api asti.
Giri is one. Kalu?
Giri.
Giri is ekvachanam. Girihi api asti.
Asti. Girihi api
Ekvachanam
asti.
is asti. Atra Shri Krishnaha Bhaktaha Denuhu cha santi. Atra Girihi api asti. You see the difference?
Yeah.
Girihi api asti.
Asti.
Yeah. In this picture?
Sri Ramaha.
Next, somebody else. Akshay Magode. Yes, who was?
Atra Sri Ramaha Sita Anjaneya cha santi. I don't know this one.
Atra Ramaha Sita, Lakshmanaha, Anjaneyaha cha santi. Then anything else we left?
Bharataha and
फलपुष्पाणि अपि सन्ति.
Pushpani api santi. Pushpani bahuvachana, santi bahuvachana. Yes. Yes, somebody wanted some. Yes, in this
side, the other side,
yes,
this person with that may be Bharata or Shatrughna.
yeah, we can say Bharataha api asti, or we can include them Ramaha, Sita, Lakshmanaha, Bharataha, Shatrughan. Sorry, who is he here? Ramaha, Lakshmanaha, Sita, then Bharataha, Anjaneyaha. Atra kaha asti? You can give.
Shukkaha.
Atra Rama,
No.
Lakshmana, Sita, Shatrughna cha santi. Anjaneya api santi. Asti.
That parrot
Anjaneyaha
faced is somebody.
Anjaneyaha api asti.
asti. Anjaneyaha api asti.
Asti.
When we say one, the contrast is one you have to single out, and you can group all brothers into one. Right? You can group them all into one, and you can separate Anjaneyaka api asti. Anjaneyaka api asti. Right? Yes. Now next. Yes. It is a scene from Mahabharata.
Yeah. Deepak Mahodaya.
He left.
Okay.
He
Malini.
left.
Atra Draupadi, Arjuna, Drupadah santi. Matsya yantra
No,
api
Drupadaha
asti.
cha.
Drupadaha cha santi.
Okay.
Matsya yantra api asti. Right? Am I right, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So next, Samayaha Atitaha, we will. So here also, in this Mandirani, you can make groups and you can practice. Next also, Balakaha, Balikaha cha santi. And you can make these sentences like that.
Balloons. What is the word for balloons?
Pupa. It is called pupas. Pupa, I think. Yeah. There may be some other word. So you can make in this room what are all Sankanaha and some toys. Kapatika, Santi. So all this you can practice. Here also animals you can say. And you can group 2, 3 and 1 separately. Santi asti. So lekana niyamaha. Kamalam asti. Anujam ichati. Bhojanam agachati. See, Kamalam asti is here. Kamalam is Namapadam. Kamalam is Namapadam. And Anujam Ichati is Karmapadam. Anujam. And Bhojanam can be Namapadam plus Karmapadam. Why? Why it can be Namapadam and Karmapadam also? Kartrupadam and Karmapadam. Yes, tell me. We saw it. Why it can be both? Bhojanam agacchati.
Karoti. So
Because it's Napumsakalinga, it's the same.
Yes,
Bhojanam,
correct.
yeah.
Bhojanam agacchati. Aham bhojanam kadami. Aham is kartru. Bhojanam is karmapadam kadami. Bhojanam agacchati. Kana agaya. Right? So bhojanam is napumsakalingaha. That's why it can come
It
in the
is the
same.
same. Yeah.
Vayam now kada anuswaraha kada makara. I think I don't know. I have time. So
maybe we
this
can finish this, ma'am.
okay. You all ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Vayam asamaga. If the last letter of a word ends in im sound, im, halanta makara. It is called halanta makaraha. Halanta is the line below the letter, halanta makaraha sound. And the first letter of the next word is vyanjanaha. Vyanjana, we all know that.
Good.
And
Yeah.
Vyanjana, you all know, na? Swaras and Vyanjanas we
Vyanjana.
know.
Yeah.
Then use anuswaraha. Vayam asamaha. This vayam is it
The
is a
dot will be
pronoun.
there if it is followed
Yeah,
by
dot will be
a
there.
Vyanjana. Yeah.
That this is called anuswaraha. This where the yakara on top of it, that bindi, that dot is called anuswaraha. Here hasamaha. Why the dot is there, not the halanta sabda like this? Below that yakara, why that halanta is not there? Because this ha is vyanjana, the followed. The yakara is followed by hakara. So ha is a vyanjana. That is why the anuswara is there. Now in case aham, aham also ka is vyanjana. And dura darshanam, this nakara anuswara, and pa is also vyanjana. So that is why it is this anuswara. If the last letter of the words in the imsan, vayam, aham, dura darshanam, this all ends in makara, alanta makara, and the first letter of the next word is vyanjana, all this first letter of the next word is all vyanjanas. So anuswaraha prayogam kartavyam. If it is not anuswara, if it is not vyanjana, then we can use that it's not. If the last letter of a sentence ends in the M sound, then use makaraga. Bhavatyaha nama kim. Bhavatyaha. If the last ends in Bhavatyaha nama kim. See, nama kim. Nama, so kim. And saha mama mitram. Mitram is even otherwise napumsakal. See, the last, if it is that halanta makara can be used if it is in the last letter of the sentence. Right? This is the third condition. First condition is if the last, with this we didn't see. Oh God, I missed it. That's what I was wondering. Why swara is not coming. Kamalam asti. This im halanta makara we can use when swara is there. A is e, a, these are all swaras. So we can use halanta makara. So first condition is halanta makara can be used when the following words first letter is swara. Clear? So please go through this, and this we saw, and like this And if it is the last akshara of the sentence, then we can use alanta. That's it. Prashna, if there is questions, you can ask now or you can post it in the group. Any doubts?
No.
So, okay, we will end the class with the Shanti mantra. Yeah, who can read Shanti Bhavya Patitiva?
ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते
पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते
पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः ॐ तत्सत्
So, I just would like to, just a minute, I'll close the recording.